Ready? Repeat natin after that, ah.
Ready?
Dito ka, dito ka. Ready na.
1, 2, 3.
Pag alam mo na,
Take
take
Kindly the counsel of the years.
Gracefully
gracefully surrendering
the things
the things of the youth.
the things of youth.
The things of youth.
Nurture strength of spirit
Nurture strength of spirit
to shield you.
to shield you. To
Inside
shield you in sudden misfortunes.
But do not distress
But do
yourself
not distress yourself
do not distress yourself
with dark
with dark imaginings.
Many fears are born.
Many fears are born. Ganito. Yan.
Many fears.
Tigas naman ang kamay mo.
Many fears
Are born
with fatigue and loneliness.
Beyond the wholesome
Ganon.
discipline.
of and beyond the wholesome discipline.
Be gentle.
Be gentle. Love.
Be gentle with yourself.
Okay.
Again. By your